Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn how to get ready for the day. First, I will act out the different phrases we're going to learn, and then I will break them into smaller actions through flashcards. Okay, ready? Begin. All right, are you ready to learn the phrases I just acted out? Okay. The first phrase is make the bed. The second phrase is wash your face. The third phrase is brush your teeth. The fourth phrase is take off your pajamas. Next, put on your clothes. Then we eat breakfast. Next, grab your backpack. And then put on your shoes. Are you ready to act them out with me? All right, let's begin. Make the bed. Make the bed. Then, wash your face. Wash your face. Brush your teeth. Good job. Take off your pajamas. Good job.